In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage repost on TikTok. Now, reposting on TikTok is easy, but managing those reposts is just as important. So here's how to view, control, and remove your repost the right way. So step 1, find your reposted videos. So to start, open TikTok app, go to your profile at the bottom right side, tap the repost tab icon right here. This shows all the videos you've reposted. Now, next step is to remove a post. So open the reposted video, for example. Now tap the share arrow icon at the bottom right corner. Tap remove post, which is the yellow icon. Tap on it. And the video will be removed instantly. Next is to manage your repost comments. So go back, open the reposted video, for example, this
Hi,
one.
Teleport.
Tap on comment. So tap on comment and edit or delete it. So it keeps your repost clean and relevant. Now, next step is to control what you repost. So only repost content that fits your niche. Avoid reposting too frequently and keep your profile consistent. This helps maintain a strong personal brand. So take note, reposts don't upload to your main grid. They mainly appear in followers' feed. Some videos may not allow reposting. And that's basically it. Now you know how to manage your posts on TikTok and keep your content organized. Thanks for watching.